Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. In last video, I showed you how to pass a prop firm challenge using ICT concept and using a proper risk management. And in that video, I also promised with you that I will share with you a 50 pip challenge where you can make around $166,000 by only $76 in only and only 20 trades or 15 trades respectively with 100 pips. So how you can calculate and what is the lot size, what is the pips, how many trades, how much money, everything you will get to know in this video. So make sure you watch this video till end. And if you didn't subscribe our YouTube, make sure you subscribe our channel. Make sure you join our free Telegram channel. And if you didn't watch my previous video, make sure you watch that one as well. So here are the 50 pip challenge, okay, where we have a $76, okay, and then after our 20 successful trades, if we get a 20 successful trade with 50 pips, from 76 to we will come to this $166,876, right? Okay, in only 20 trades. But if we get only a 15 trades by 100 pips, we will around make $180,000. Okay, how does it make sense? Can we make this much money? I will show you proper in this video. Make sure you watch this video till end, okay? And this challenge will be started after that, okay? So here are the chart. You can screenshot on this one, okay? And you will not find these things in entire YouTube channel or any platform. This was made by me. This was calculated by me, and everything is made by me on this chart, okay? I have a $76 trade number 1, 2, 3, 4 until 20, okay? We have a starting balance with $76, okay? We will use a lot size 0.1. Remember, you have to use a broker that I give you link in the description, okay? Use that one because that will have a low spread, and also the pair I will give you for trade need a nearby zero spread, okay? So make sure you join that broker and start challenge, okay? I will explain you later. You have a $76, you will use a lot of 0.1, means if 1 pip trade, okay, we will get a $1 profit on this, okay? After 50 pips, it will convert to 126. You can use a calculator and you can make simple, okay? And if you get 100 pips, it will convert to $176, okay? Then that 126 become your second trade and $196 after 50 pips, and your lot size will be this. Let's assume that if you lose here, you will go back? You will go back to the step 1 again. Understand? So how much your stop loss? That will be, I tell you in the nearby after the video, okay? In the end of the video, okay? So stick with me. How much stop loss, what is the pair, what is the strategy, I will tell you, don't worry. Second trade $126, 196, then 196 becomes your third trade, 296 to 456, 726, and like this. This is the lot size. It will be increased gradually and you can go on, okay? Now I want you to assume that, let's say you didn't take, see here, okay, you take 20 trades, okay, you want 60 trades, okay, you want 60 trades. What does it mean by that? It's mean that in each lot size, okay, you will trade 3 times, okay? $76 start 0.1, it will be 126. Then on same lot 126 you will use again and again 3 times. Okay, first time, second time, and 3 times. Okay, 126 plus $50 and plus $50, it become $226. Okay, from that $226 you will withdraw, or you will remove $100 from that account. Okay, or remove only a 50% from that account. Okay, that will be your spending or the money that you invested, because you are investing only $76. So your first target should be that you will take by this lot 2 or 3 trades by 50 pips or 100 pips. You have to withdraw your $76 and keep it aside. Okay, that's it. Now you have balance from trading and you can start on. Okay, if you take a 60 trade, let's consider, because every time you didn't hit TP, you will get sometime what happened, that price, let's assume you enter from here in this area. Okay, and your target is nearby here. Okay, so sometime price reach half and then turn back on you, sometime price reach nearby, come to again your entry, and you think I have to stop loss, because price if reach like this, you will put your stop loss, and sometime price came again to your entry area and then give you again another opportunity for a long. But you have to stick with your rules, and that's all. Okay, here the lot size, here are the 50 pips result, here are the 100 pips results. For 100 pips you only need a 15 trades and like this. Okay, if you do a 60 trade on same lot, for example, for this lot you trade 3 times, if you success then you change your lot to this and do 3 times. Okay, then again on these 3 times, 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. From that 3 times, okay, one is for your challenge, one is for your stop loss. Means that if the second trade you lose, because whenever you lose you will go back to the back step. For example, you are in the sixth trade, $726. If you lose this trade, you will go back to 456. If you lose 456, then you go to 296. So that's why I'm telling you, because this game is all about psychology. Okay, these 20 trades are nothing. If you literally found every day 2 trades on some pairs, and you can think that in 7 days I can achieve that much, that is achievable. I'm not telling, but this is feels like a gambling. Okay, so not do that. So do like logically. By each lot you do 3 times. I am just suggesting you. Okay, do 3 times. Okay, and from that 3 times, one time for you to continue this. For second trade is for your stop loss. If you get stop loss, you will not go drawdown or like this. Okay, and the third one is for your spending and like that. Okay, that's I am telling you. That's assuming, and I'm not telling you to do that. Assume that if you can do that. Okay, 60 trade, or we can say 20 or 15. Okay, so now the question is, in which pair? Okay, what is the stop loss and how many days? Simple. Okay, now I will go to chart of gold. Okay, and if you see, yeah, I have this indicator for this Asia session, London session, and New York session. You have to follow the strategy, you have to follow your rules. Okay, what is the rule? Is that only trade one session. Rule number 1. Okay, only trade 2 times in a week. Okay, rule number 3, whenever you lose, that week you will not take any trade more. Now by these mean it doesn't mean that you don't will open the laptop. You will have to open the laptop and tape reading. You understand the tape reading? What is the tape reading? Tape reading, you have just watched the price action. You don't push the button. Understand? Every day you will find this setup, and if you are in the trending market, you have to find one ICT strategy. That can be a Judas swing, that can be a silver bullet, that can be anything 2022 model. You have to find anything that can give you a 50 pips. That's all, the 50 pips. Only one trade, okay? Only one trade. Now, the main point, how much is the stop loss? How much the stop loss? How much the stop loss that can, if I am in 126 and if my stop loss hit and I can go back to 76, not more than that, okay? So that is 30 pips. 30 pips stop loss, 50 pips TP, okay, or respectively 45 pip SL, 100 pips TP. Now you got it, 45 pips, 30 pips. In 100 pips trade, if you got a 45 pips SL, then you will go back to your previous balance, okay. In 50 pips challenge, if you got a 30 pip SL, you will go back to the previous challenge. Now I will give you another good thing about that, okay. Stick only with one or two pair. Number one is a gold, because we are in that discount broker, we have the broker that give you a leverage, okay. With your $76 you can trade 0.1. So make sure you join that broker from my link, okay. So we have now 30 pip stop loss and 45 pip stop loss. That is, if we go for a 30 pip stop loss, that can be this much, okay, and for 45 pips that can be that much, okay. So but 45 pips stop loss and 100 pips that are not achieved, as you seen here, right? But for a 30 pip stop loss, we achieve a 50 pip trade, right? Okay. So it's now you're thinking that you will trade 45 pip stop loss trade or 30 pip stop loss trade. So when you will get these 45 pip trade, that 100 pip trade, and when you will get a 50 pip trade, okay, I will tell you the days as well. 100 pips trade only you will find on the day of a red folder news like FOMC, CPI, or manufacturing, or like this something, okay. These 2-3 major news where you can find the 100 pips trade. Generally regular days you will find a 50 pips trade, okay. If you see, if I go to this whole week, that is a 26th January, the last Friday, okay, and here as well you see the ICT, this fair value gap, have this liquidity on the mid of this week. As you know, price reached to this mid of the week, okay, and give us a reaction, okay. So here was the 50 pips, that is more than 50 pips like this from here, okay, and we have a stop loss of 30 pips up to here, but we should not put the stop loss to the 30 pips sometime, okay, because in ICT if we are using, that's the good point of ICT, you don't have to put randomly, you have to put stop loss as per your model, okay. Here are the first candle, second candle, and third candle. Here are the fair value gap, okay. Here are the fair value gap. You only put where the here like this, okay. You don't have to go for 30 pips, understand? That's all you have to understand, okay. Now if we go to pair like JBP JPY, there also you can get a 50 pips every day like that, okay, and have no worry about the much SL. And because in JBP JPY many time you will get a stop loss of 10 pips or a 15 pips, and the TP will be a 50 to 100 pips if you are on following the trend in the right direction. So generally I prefer JBP JPY, Great British Pound, and Japanese yen, and the gold pair. But the problem is, if you got, I will tell you something. The thing that every day I see US 30, but in discount broker you cannot get 0.1 lot on $76. That's the big problem. But here this is not work. But in US 30 every day I got this setup every day on a specific time, 9:30 opening, fair value gap with my buys, and here go 100 pips, 137 pips, 137 handles. So I need only 50 pips, that is near this, okay, that's all, simple. Now this is the sheet. Now that now it's your mind, what are you going to do with this sheet, okay. This is now your test, what you will do with this is the sheet. Now you have 20 trades or 15 trades respectively. If you start, let's say from February 15, okay, in every month only we take, for example, 3 trades, okay, in every month. In each week 1 trade, second trade, third trade, and rest of weeks you didn't trade, okay. 3 trades, 6, 9, 11, 12, 15, 18. In August 30 you can make this much. Is it wrong? No, you don't have to trade every day. That's it. The things take your money from you is your greed, not a market. That's all, okay. Make sure you join our Telegram channel, and make sure you join the broker and a funded account. If you need a funded account, instant funding without any evaluation, you will find the link in the description, okay. Hope you find this insightful. Until next time, be safe.